Have you ever wondered what makes some people so influential? It doesn't matter what they do for a living or what their education was, but they have influence. Here are 25 traits you need to master if you want to become influential too. Number 25, develop and use your backstory. What's your backstory? What happened before? How did you get here? Well, I often say to people, little did I know when I was 6 years old, sitting on the stage licking a lollipop in my first theatrical production, that I would grow up to use those skills to help people through video marketing, through my consulting work. You see how that begins a backstory? I happen to like Little Did I Know. That comes as close to Once Upon a Time as I want to come. So use your backstory. Let people see who you are. Maybe you had a very difficult childhood. Maybe you grew up studying opera in New York City at the feet of some of the great, whatever the story is. Let them see who you are. It'll be fascinating to them. It will show them why you present yourself the way you do. Use that. Develop it. Make sure it's out there. There's a whole video that I created years ago that shows some of the reviews of me, shows me growing up as a little kid, shows what happened on stage, shows how I got where I am. There's no secret of why I can do video now. I started directing 3-camera pickups in that theater when I was 11 years old. I had a buddy there, he became a buddy, but he was a scientist for DuPont whose job was to invent VHS tape. Bob Kerr helped me a lot. There's no surprise that I know what I'm doing here. So use that backstory. It helps people understand who you are, and it will make you much more influential.